everyone, welcome to my channel Angel Creations. In this video, let's learn some grammar. നമുക്ക് articles എന്താണെന്ന് നോക്കിയാലോ? Let's jump into the video. What are articles? എന്താണ് articles? A, an, the. ഈ മൂന്ന് വാക്കുകളാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ articles എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Articles തന്നെ രണ്ട് തരത്തിലുണ്ട്. There are two types of articles. One is definite article and the other one is indefinite article. Yes, definite article and indefinite article. Now, under definite article, the. Under indefinite article, you will have a and an. Now, when do we use an? Normally, we use an before a singular countable noun.
For example, an ox, an umbrella. Here we have only one, that is ox. We have a singular ox and it is countable, so we use an. Secondly, we use an before a vowel sound, usually beginning with the letters A, E, I, O, U. For example, an ant, an axe, an orange, an egg. Here we have the words beginning with the letters A, E, I, O, U. An exception to this is an is also used with some words beginning with a consonant sound. For example, an hour, an honest man. Here we can see that the letters, the words are beginning with a consonant alphabet, but still we use an. It's because here the H is silent. We pronounce it as R or honest. Therefore, the sound we have here is a vowel sound O. We hear a vowel sound O. So in these cases, we use an instead of a. Now, when do we use a? We use a before a countable singular nouns, which means nouns that we can count. It should also be a singular word. It should not be a plural. Now, the second point is we use a before a consonant sound. It could be any words beginning with the letters B, N, that is B, N, M, Y, H, C, anything. Look at the examples. A cow. Here we have the word beginning with a consonant letter C. So we use a. The second example, we have a man. The same is here. We have the word beginning with a consonant letter. Now we will discuss the exceptions while using a. A is also used with some words beginning with vowels, that is vowel letters. For example, a university, a European, a 1 rupee note. But if you notice here clearly, you can hear that the words, if you notice, you can understand that it is university, yeah, Y sound. European, again the same. 1 rupee note, wa, it is W sound. So we use instead of an, a.
These are the facts about articles A and an. Now let's discuss the definite article the. Now, when do we use the definite article the? We use the definite article the when we want to particularize something. When we want to particularize a particular noun. For example,
Lost the ball with which we were playing. Here we are specifying the ball that they were playing. So we use the. It is not any ball, it is that particular ball with which they were playing. Now, the definite article is used with superlatives. Superlative, comparative and positive dealing. I hope you know that. Sumesh is the most intelligent child. Here we use the superlative most. And before that we must use the. Now the third rule, with words like first, last, next, only. For example, who is sitting on the last bench? Here we use the before the word last. We also use the before nouns such as earth, moon, sun, sky, etc. Because it's only one and it is very particular. The earth revolves around the sun. We have only one earth and one sun. So there is no confusion, so we are using the before these words. Now the fifth point, with the names of rivers, seas and oceans. For example, the Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea. We also use the along with the names of the holy books. For example, the Ramayana, the Holy Bible, the Holy Quran. Look at the sentence. The Ramayana was written by Valmiki. Here we have used the before the holy book Ramayana. We must use the with the names of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. For example, the Rajdhani, the Air India. Look at the sentence. We travelled by the Rajdhani Express. We have used the before the name of the train Rajdhani Express. We also use the with the names of newspapers. For example, the Hindu, the Times of India, etc. We read the Times of India every day. In this sentence, we have used the before the name of the newspaper Times of India. Now the ninth point, with well-known buildings also we use the article the. In the sentence, we visited the Taj Mahal last summer. We have used the before the well-known building Taj Mahal. We also use the with the names of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas lies in the north of India. We have used the Himalayas because it is the name of a mountain range. I hope you understood what are articles.
Thank you for watching.